Let's have a look at how to turn off keyboard sounds on Samsung. If you're using the standard Samsung keyboard that came pre-installed with your Samsung device, then here's how you disable keyboard sounds for that. First of all, open up the Settings app. Then scroll down, and then tap on Sounds and Vibration. Next, tap on System Sound, and finally toggle off the option Samsung Keyboard right here. This will disable the keyboard sounds of your Samsung keyboard. Now, after doing this, when typing on your keyboard, if you should still hear some sounds, this most probably means that you're actually not using the standard Samsung keyboard. Here's how you can verify which keyboard you're actually using. First of all, let us go back to the home screen. Then let us open up a browser. This could be Google Chrome or any other browser. In my case, I'm going to use Google Chrome. So I tap on Google right here, and then I tap here on Google Chrome. Now at the bottom, you should see your keyboard. If you don't see the keyboard yet, make sure to tap on the search field here on top, and this should bring up the keyboard here at the bottom. Once you have that, in the lower right corner of the screen, you should see this little keyboard icon right here. Make sure to tap on it. This should then show you the keyboards that you're currently using on your Samsung device. As you can see, the current input method that I'm using on this Samsung phone right here is actually the Google keyboard called Gboard. This is a very popular keyboard for Samsung phones. In case the primary input method for your Samsung phone is Gboard as well, then here's how you can turn off keyboard sounds for it. First of all, let us close this window right here by tapping somewhere in the empty area. And now what you want to do on your Google keyboard is to tap here on this gear icon. This will open up the settings page. Next, tap on Preferences. And to disable the keyboard sounds for the Google keyboard on your Samsung phone, make sure to toggle off the option Sound on Key Press. And this is how you disable keyboard sounds on Samsung, both for the standard Samsung keyboard as well as for Google's Gboard. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Android and Samsung tutorials.